A traveler was walking through the forest late at night when he found an old wooden cabin. The wind was so cold, so he decided to stay there until morning. Inside the cabin, everything was quiet. He lit the small lamp, ate some food, and talked to himself to stay awake because the forest noises were strange. After a while, he laughed and said, "Relax, it's just me here." Then he finally slept. The next morning, villagers came to check the old cabin. They found the traveler sitting in a chair, smiling and talking loudly to an empty chair across him. But the crazy thing was this: on the dusty floor, the villagers saw two sets of fresh footprints going to chairs, even though the traveler said he had been alone all night.